Hi and welcome back to Comtrade Highlights. In the autumn edition, we are bringing you a lot of fun and business topics, so stick around to find out what we've been up to this October. Comtrade 360 officially announced the opening of their new office space in Novi Sad. In the past year, following its rebranding, the rapid growth of the company saw its recruitment of more than 120 new employees across 12 of its sales offices and development campuses, and this new office space represents the logical step for the company's regional expansion. The leading position of Comtrade 360 has been based on the 30-year expertise in the field of data management and monitoring, backup and recovery, and cybersecurity, and this year marks their rebranding and the expansion under the new name. Check out Careers page at Comtrade 360's website for available positions across their offices. Continuing on Comtrade 360's rebranding and expansion, the company celebrated with a team-building event in Neum, a three-day get-together comprised of workshops, strategy sessions, and various social activities. The sunny seaside brought together more than 300 employees from various Comtrade 360 offices, proving once again that people are a company's greatest asset. Comtrade System Integration supported and took part in the Network B&H conference in Neum, which is the biggest business and tech event in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Our colleagues took part in the panel discussions, exploring topics such as hybrid workplace, power of automation, security, infrastructure, and much more. Thank you for watching our October Highlights video. Make sure you follow us on our social media channels as well for all the latest news and updates. We will see you next month. Take care.